Black eagle. Come on down. If you guys are lucky, we'll tell you some silly tourist things. The gondola looks interesting. You ready? Sure. Go for it. She looks a little nervous on that. What's it about? A little nervous look on her face. That excitement smile wasn't quite there anymore. The fear is something that's bigger. Come on down, Mike.
I'm braking.
Ready? 4? Is it okay? What's going on with your braking?
Oh, I'm just.
Talk to me, Irene. Go ahead.
I'm just not very good at it.
Alright, Mike. Let go of that brake, you're good. Swing your head around the other side for me. And up on the top. Perfect. Anybody feel like quitting? Alright, well, because I have this cool little rope system we can use. What? Oh yeah, that one, you go about 80 miles per hour. Abrupt setting, fun ending. Follow me this way.
Oh, that was fun, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, man, you go fast.
Alright, check in. If you stand right over there by Peter. And then Mike, you're not going to follow her under the cable. You're just going to be close to the cable. You're clear, D. Clear.